The first hearing in a lawsuit to hold the Japanese government accountable for Japan's wartime sexual slavery was held in Korea. It took 3 years to hold this trial initiated by the Korean victims of the wartime atrocity because of Japan's refusal to recognize Korea's judicial right.
The first hearing of the damage suit for victims of wartime sex slavery was held yesterday in Seoul. The trial began 3 years after the lawsuit holding the Japanese government accountable for the atrocity was launched. 3 victims, Yong-soo, Kil Won-ok, Yong-soo, were in the courtroom as plaintiffs. But the defendant, the Japanese government, failed to show up for the hearing. Tokyo's government refuses to attend the trial, citing the principle of sovereign immunity, which protects a sovereign state from the jurisdiction of the courts in another state. During the trial, Yong-soo knelt down and sobbed, expressing a frustration while saying that nobody showed up from Japan to hear her demand for an official apology.
일본이 잘못을 알아야 돼요. 그러면 이 재판에 나와야 될 거 아니에요. 안 나오는 거는 지금 죄가 있으니까 안 나옵니다.
The representatives of the plaintiffs argued that the logic of international law does not apply in this case, as it is a trial to restore the victim's human dignity. The attorneys vowed to have Japanese international law experts as witnesses to prove this point. The Korean court also urged Japan to attend the trial. The Japanese government has been using the strategy of ignoring and delaying since the lawsuit was filed in December 2016. Tokyo even refused to receive the notice of complaint multiple times, claiming that the trial itself infringes on its sovereignty. Japan's absence caused the trial to be postponed 5 times. The proceeding began only after the Korean court publicly notified the complaint in March. While the trial was on hold, 5 of the 10 plaintiffs, including the late Kim Bok-dong, had passed away.